Welcome to Excel English Academy, and today we will read the 5th chapter of Standard 7, Poor Isan. Okay, the heading shows it means the Isan is the name and he is a boy as expected, but it may be there is some weakness, there is some bad things, and there is some miserable things happen with the Isan. Okay, the headlines indicate this. Now let us, before the start of the chapter, I would like to tell you, you will get the line by line reading of this chapter and word stock of this chapter. After that you will have some important chapter from this, a question from this chapter. So listen carefully and watch the video till the end. Okay, let us start. The first is actually. Actually means really, in reality, what is right, what is wrong. Okay. Mutter. Mutter means mumble, saying something slowly, and not in a loud voice. Okay. And third is doodling, scrabble, scribble. Doodling means watching. Okay. Whisper. Whisper means voicelessness, saying something in very low sound. That is called whisper. Surprise, you know something new, unexpected or surprising, as it is written, or storm. That is which the things which time is not fixed. Clumsily. Clumsily means cumbersome. It means hodgepodge. You may call problematic. Okay. Hectic. Feverish. Hectic life. Boring life. Okay. Tremendous. Tremendous means terrific, rattling, super, splendid. Okay, and these are the some hard words of this chapter, and you have also to write the word meaning from your chapter. Okay, let us start the chapter one by one. Okay, this is your chapter and this is chapter number 3, Poor Isan. Okay, see, Poor Isan. Every child has some talent. This is my saying and saying of all the teachers, and we all know that every person has some unique quality. Only it is depends upon his or her teacher or parents to identify that quality. Okay, and it is the especially duty of teacher to find out the hiding capacity or hiding quality of a student or anyone. It needs a good teacher like Mr. Verma to spot, to find and encourage it. Spot means find and encourage it. It is the responsibility of we the teachers to find out it in different students, different you may call talent. Okay. See, read and enjoy the story. Isan hated school. It means Isan doesn't like to go to school. It was not that his teacher were that bad. Actually, they tried their best with Isan. It was that he was uninterested in practically everything related to school. It means Isan doesn't like to go to school and not interested in anything that is related to school. Okay. I had rather draw or play baseball anyway, he would mutter. He always used to say in low sound, I would like to play baseball or drawing work. Okay, these two things. Last open house means last day. Isan waited for his mom and dad to return home so he could hear the reports his teachers gave about him. And the last, it means PTM, parents teacher meet. He was expecting and waiting for his parents what the teacher have reported about him to his parents. Okay, Isan, all your teachers say the same thing. His father stated firmly. All the teachers saying the same things, that you are not interested in study. All the teachers complaining at a time. Isan, all your teachers say the same things. His father stated firmly, you just don't put enough efforts into your subject. Isan, you could do a lot better if you try harder. All the teacher is saying that you are not interested and not putting your whole effort. It means not trying your best. And you should try. You can do better if you try harder. Okay. Poor Isan, he did try. Dad didn't know how much he tried. School stuff just didn't came easy like it did for his older sister Jenny. Older sister Jenny. That was another problem. Every teacher who discovered Jenny was Isan's sister said the same thing. It means the situation is different. Isan have no interest in study. On the other side, Jenny, his older sister, have deep interest in study. Okay, and all the teachers always praising to his old sister Jenny and always complaining about the Isan. What a lovely girl and wonderful student. She never gave me a bit of trouble. It means she never created any trouble and studying very carefully, silently, every day and performing good day by day, improving his result. Let us face it. Let us face the problem. I will always be a terrible student, Isan thought. Isan thought, I am always a student who always creates problem for his teachers. Terrible means you may call not likely. Well, it was during a spring that things took a turn for the better for poor Isan. It was the spring and the things came in his life to change the whole life of Isan. Okay, what thing happened? Let us see. Every year, the 7th graders put on an Easter performance. A 7th graders, it means 7 standards. It means students of class 7 put on an Easter performance, singing, dancing and reciting poetry. Singing, dancing and reciting poetry, these are the things. Photographers usually appear on the opening day and took pictures for the local newspaper. As it happens with the generally ceremonies and activities. As usual, Isan was doodling his little drawing while Mr. Verma was choosing students for various activities. It means various activities in the show. It means as usual Isan was drawing the picture and Mr. Sharma was busy in arranging the different activities, different works and programs, and he saw, oh, he's drawing such a nice picture. You should go and participate in the drawing competition. It will be better for you. This was the reaction of Mr. Verma. Okay. This is boring. This is boring, thought Isan as he escaped into his world of cartoons. He was so deep in his day drama that he didn't notice Mr. Verma standing directly in front of him. He was busy in drawing the picture and he didn't think about other things, and Mr. Verma was watching his drawing carefully. Oh, he whispered to himself. He took away his drawing and said for me, son, see me after class. Mr. Verma saw the art of drawing and said, meet me after class. As the bell rang for lunch, everyone flied out, everyone except poor Isan. Everyone went to the dining table or having the lunch or during the lunch time, but Isan was not gone there, and he went before Mr. Verma. He walked slowly up to his teacher's desk, wondering what his punishment would be. Mr. Verma's response was a surprise. He was thinking, what would be the punishment? He saw me, I was drawing the picture. What would be punishment? But there is a surprise for Isan. Okay, what is surprise? See, Isan Sharma, do not doodle during class again. Do not draw the draw sketch during class. You know my feeling about that. I am surprised at you. Now this drawing show me that you are quite an artist. I know your work has surprised me and I am very impressed by your work. We are going to use your talent in the Easter show. Would you like to be in charge of all the scenery, artwork and staging, Isan? I am very impressed. Would you like to be in charge of such things, artwork, you may call scenery work? Mr. Sharma asked to Isan. Wow, he could not believe it. It means it was totally immense surprise for Isan. He didn't expect such type of things. Mr. Verma wanted him to do all of that by himself. What fun! The ideas were already flooding his brain. Finally, Isan had the chance to really prove what he could do. And it was the golden opportunity for Isan to prove himself what he could do and what the talent he has. Okay? As Isan rather, no, I do, Mr. Verma, I will get right to work. No, okay, I can't do anything. Please don't worry. Okay. As Isan rather clumsily left the classroom, tripping over the waste basket first, Mr. Verma smiled broadly. He knew this would give his unmotivated students the confidence and recognition he desperately needed. As Isan clumsily left the classroom, tripping over the waste basket first. As Isan was not expected anything earlier and left as a waste basket, and now Mr. Verma smiled broadly. Mr. Verma smiled broadly. He knew. Who knew? Mr. Verma. This would give his unmotivated students. It means still now not a single person motivated Isan to do such type of work. That's why he called unmotivated student. Unmotivated students, the confidence and recognition he desperately needed. The confidence and recognition what he needs to put him rise to go on his upward, that is the needed. The next few weeks were hectic ones for Isan. Hectic one is very problematic, not easy. Okay, he would finish his homework during lunchtime and work on the stage during recess and after school. Only 2 other students were chosen to help, but Mr. Verma stressed upon Isan he was as in charge. It means Isan was now taking interest in these things and working properly, and only 2 students provided to him as assistants, and as Mr. Verma chose him in charge. Bunny sprang to life. Bunny sprang to means those who do not have it. Bunny spring to life. And what the luck had. Flowers popped through vibrant green grass. Flowers popped means flowers came out through vibrant green grass. It means this is the green grass which stopped flowers to come out. It means it was the hidden talent, and no one was able to recognize Isan his talent, and that's why he was deprived of all the rights. Now that right has been recognized by Mr. Sharma, and now he has given the proper opportunity to act it. Isan felt a tremendous sense of excitement. His mom certainly did not need to push her son to school this morning. It means now the day has been changed. Before this incident, his mom and dad always pushed him, said he go to school, and now he is going himself to school and he is excited about his work. What color should I paint the basket, Isan? Rohan asked one afternoon. Light brown. But be careful not to get the color on the eggs. Let me cover the eggs with newspaper so they won't get injured anyway. It means you must have to paint it by light brown. Rohan waited, brush in hand, while the slight boy carefully covered the Easter eggs with paper. It means Rohan was waiting, but the slight means thin boy. Thanks, Isan, he said cheerfully and went back to work. and now after got the instruction, he went back to his work. Okay. Well, finally it was done. Mr. Verma took a last look while the entire 7th grade watched him. It means everything was now right, and Mr. Verma must have a look before the final exhibition. Isan waited, holding his breath. May he would be not liked it. Maybe I would have painted the bunnies yellow. Maybe it means it. Maybe Isan have tried their best to do, but he was not sure what would happen next. That's why he was in confusion. Let's be sure. Isan Sharma, you have done a remarkable job. I am so very proud of you. I have never seen a more beautiful and authentic stage. It means you have done all the things very right, and now I have not seen such authentic real stage ever before. Then he heard clapping. They were clapping for Isan, and it felt so wonderful. It means everybody was clapping, clap for only Isan. His parents would be there tonight. They would smile in the audience as they gazed means saw at the scenery their son had created. It means Isan is thinking that the mothers and everybody will clap for him and for the scenery he has arranged or created. Isan felt a part of the class now. He was respected and admired of his talent by his friends as he looked once again at the beautiful Easter scene on stage. He whispered softly, I did a pretty good job after all. It means before this nobody recognized, take seriously to Isan, and after the Easter performance everybody was impressed by Isan and everybody respecting him, and he got respect and admired for his talent by the students as well as teachers and his parents also. It means now he is admired by all. Okay, and with this we come to an end of this chapter. Okay, now let us see. We have read the chapter. There is a boy named Isan. He was not interested too much in the story, but every teacher was complaining about him, not about his older sister Jenny. And one day Mr. Verma spot him, it means find him, and said, you are drawing so nice, you must be in charge of the artwork of this Easter performance. And he made him, he done all the things carefully and got the huge loud of applause from the you may call parents and everybody, and now he feels everything is right and he is a normal and got respect from everyone. Okay, and now finally he had done something. एक लड़का था, नाम था ईसान, जो 7th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ता था. बेचारा को पढ़ने में थोड़ा भी मन नहीं लगता था, लेकिन उसको ड्राइंग करना, फुटबॉल खेलना, बेसबॉल खेलना अच्छा लगता था. और एक दिन उसके टीचर, सभी टीचर्स कंप्लेन करते थे उसके मम्मी पापा को, उसकी बहन के बारे में नहीं, जेनी के बारे में नहीं करते थे. लेकिन एक दिन उसके ना टीचर आते हैं मिस्टर वर्मा, जो देखते हैं अरे टीचर ड्राइंग कर रहे हैं, कितना अच्छा कर रहा है. तो कहते एक काम कर, तुम मुझसे मिलो लंच में. और वो मिलता है और कहते हैं कि तुम आर्ट वर्क जो ईस्टर परफॉर्मेंस होगा तुम उसका इंचार्ज बन जाओ और अच्छा से अच्छा वर्क करके दिखाओ. करता है, अच्छा सा सीनरी क्रिएट करता है और सभी उसको मतलब लाइक करते हैं. इसी के साथ आपका चैप्टर खत्म होता है. इसमें एक क्वेश्चन आता है. एक क्वेश्चन आपको हम जो पूछ दे, the questions would be what we have learned from this chapter. What we have learned from this chapter. Okay. We have learned from this chapter that every student should have inequality, and it is the responsibility of the teachers to find out that inequality and motivate and encourage the students so that he can recognize his potentials. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Hope you have liked my video, and please आप सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलिए, और आपको कोई भी अगर प्रॉब्लम होती है तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर पूछिए. थैंक यू एंड टेक केयर, स्टे एट होम.